I'm Simone, one of the founders of Motif and a YA fantasy writer. Today, I'm going to be walking you through how to get started with Motif, including uploading a project or starting a new one. When you first join Motif, you'll get a short onboarding walkthrough that'll give you an option to upload a project or start a new one, but we're actually just going to jump straight into the app and show you how to do this process from the home screen. So here we're going to see my home dashboard, which has a couple of my works in progress on it, but we're going to focus on how to upload a project. And for this, we're going to use Moby Dick, so I can show you how the app kind of handles a longer piece of work and how we can split it up into chapters. So we're going to just take our file and drop it right here. We'll title our work Moby Dick, and then we'll see that it's not splitting up by heading 1 or heading 2, but we might adjust the font size and we can see that it'll split by the font size for the headings. So chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3 will all split into different documents in the app. And the total chapters found are 136, giving you a sense of how many different documents your project is going to be made up of. And then we'll go ahead and hit upload. Once it's uploaded, you'll be taken to one of the chapters in the doc that might have loaded a little later. But you can see from chapter 1, the document has split on that font size. It's a long document, so it might just take a few seconds to load, but you'll see that it will have loaded into the app. If you have formatting in your documents, some of it may be preserved, some of it may format a little bit differently. If you ever have any trouble with it, just reach out to us at help@meetmotif anytime, and we'll try to figure out any problems you might be having. So now we'll go back to your projects and show you how to create a new one. You can see that Moby Dick has been filled in here as a new project, and then we can also start a new project by creating new project. All that does is simply create a new project on your dashboard. To actually title it and add documents, you just click on it and go in. So we're going to say my new project. And it'll be pre-filled with a starting chapter, but you can add as many new documents as you want as you go along. So that's all you have to do to upload or start a new project and continue working on your masterpiece.